Hey there! The Sync Forms with Brilliant Directories plugin provides a seamless way to connect your WordPress forms directly to your Brilliant Directories website. This powerful tool allows you to instantly capture and sync leads and automatically register new members into your Brilliant Directories database. The real benefit? You can maintain your existing WordPress site and its content while seamlessly utilizing Brilliant Directories' robust features for managing leads and members. This plugin ensures reliable data storage, centralizing all your submissions within Brilliant Directories. By automating member registration, you can effortlessly grow your online community, and with robust lead capture, you'll streamline your sales funnels. It's a quick, no-code setup designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your tracking capabilities. Getting started is easy. First, you'll need to establish a connection between your WordPress website and your Brilliant Directories website. Simply enter your Brilliant Directories URL and paste your API key. If you don't have an API key, you can easily generate one from your Brilliant Directories admin area within the Developer Hub. Once connected, you'll see a successful connection message and you're ready to sync. Now, let's create our first sync. The plugin allows you to automatically create two types of records in Brilliant Directories: leads and members. Let's first see how to create a lead. Give your sync a nickname, then select the WordPress form plugin you're using. Currently, we support Contact Form 7, WPForms, Ninja Forms, Gravity Forms, and Elementor Forms, with more coming soon. Be sure to check the plugin description to see which specific form plugins are currently supported. Next, choose the specific form you want to sync. The plugin then automatically displays your WordPress form fields, and this is where the magic happens: field mapping. You can map each field from your WordPress form to the corresponding fields in Brilliant Directories, ensuring all your valuable data transfers correctly. You can even pass additional custom data, like UTM parameters, with each submission for enhanced tracking. Switching over, if you choose to create a member, you'll have the additional option to assign a specific membership plan ID from your Brilliant Directories website, allowing new registrants to automatically be assigned to a membership plan. Once your sync is configured, it will appear in the All Syncs section, where you can see its status, whether it's active or not, and how many submissions have been synced. From here, you can easily edit or delete any of your existing syncs. A few important things to note: the plugin skips submissions if a member's email address already exists in your Brilliant Directories site, preventing duplicates. There is, however, a separate setting to control this for leads in the API connection status section. Also, you cannot create the same action, like create member or create lead, for the same form more than once. This ensures clean and efficient data flow, free of conflicting data. Remember, a Brilliant Directories website is required to use this plugin, and if you don't have one yet, you can activate your free trial at brilliantdirectories.com/trial. Thanks for watching. We're excited to see how the Sync Forms with Brilliant Directories plugin helps you grow your online community or business. Happy syncing!